Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to find characters with lazy matching. In regular expressions, a greedy match finds the longest possible part of a string that fits the regex pattern and returns it as a match. The alternative is called a lazy match, which finds the smallest possibility with the smallest possible part of the string that satisfies the regex pattern. You can apply the regex like this. So we're doing the smallest part of A through Z where things have a zero or more occurrence of the letter I. No, that should be trailing. I'm not exactly sure. To the string Titanic. So any letters, and then that. So it's any letters. So it's T, and then any letters in between that match A through Z. So any lowercase letters until you get to a point of I. So this regex is basically a pattern that starts with T and ends with I. It has some letters between it. So Titanic, it would register out Titani. Regular expressions are by default greedy, so the match would return Titani. That means greedy means, I think that means that they're going to match the first and the last letter. It finds the largest substring possible to fit the pattern. However, you can use, by greedy it means it doesn't stop at, at TI. It actually goes greedy. It tries to find the last I. So it maybe starts at the end and then comes to the beginning. So T and I, rather than just saying T and I. I hope that makes sense. If it finds the largest substring possible to fit the pattern. So the largest substring is this guy, not this guy. However, you can use the question mark character to change it to lazy matching. Titanic matched against the adjusted regex of T, A through Z, I with the question mark returns TI. That means that it's not lazy. It's just going from the T to the I. Parsing HTML with regular expressions should be avoided, but pattern matching an HTML string with regular expressions is completely fine. Fix the regex to return HTML tag H1 and not the text. Remember, the wildcard dot is a regular expression matches any character. The result, okay, so let's console.log the result. Okay, so what we want is just the H1 tag. So we could open it up by grabbing that guy, everything in between, and then this guy. So what's happening right now is we're taking everything from this character to this character. And what we want to do is make it a lazy situation. And so we want to add a question mark in between here. So I'm thinking right there. And then we get our H1 tag. So what is it doing? It's saying instead of loading from this guy to this guy, we're saying be lazy load and just get the next character that matches whatever we have here. And because we have it as H1 here, that makes that happen. So we put our question mark here, and that gives us just the H1 tag. And if we run the tests, we see that pass. Anyways, hope this helps you guys, and we'll see you in the next lesson.